This is my friend's 2004 Corolla and it runs like crap. So today I'm gonna see if I can fix it for 80 bucks.
So this car has a lot of issues. It runs about 27% lean, it has random multiple misfires, and it's also leaking oil from the valve cover gasket. So today, we're going to replace the intake manifold gasket, the throttle body gasket, and the valve cover gasket. And with me here today are two of my best friends to feed me pizza and beer. I had a couple little hiccups along the way with annoying hoses.
Fuck you.
But it all ended up working out in the end. So here's the intake manifold with its crusty, dusty gasket. And here's the new one. Judging by the state of that old gasket, I'm fairly certain that that was the reason for the lean running condition. And already you can tell this is going to be giving a much better seal. It's not scraping away all the dust and debris that has built up